Right guys, good morning. It's mine and Lucy's 9th wedding anniversary. I woke up and thought, where is she? I was like, what? Where are you? And I looked up and she was in the shower. So that means it's my turn to get up and get Vinny ready for nursery. So go to his room. He's not there. Where is he? Did he? Yes, he did. He went in the spare bedroom last night and got into bed. And then Lucy gave me this absolute amazing gift. So basically it's a little booklet, and inside it's got all my favourite places to go. So I love the cinema, absolutely love Costa, and I love green tea. And I opened this one and it was a TGI Fridays voucher because we absolutely love TGI Friday brunches. Really good value for money, about £35 each for all you can drink for 2 hours, and you get 3 side dishes. Having a little bit of trouble getting into this one. Probably should have put the phone down and done it with 2 hands, but I went through the struggle. You're probably like getting anxious now watching this, thinking, just open it. Just open it. So I just ripped it open. And it was another one of our favourite places to go. A place in Yarm called The Keys, which if anyone's been there knows it's a really nice place. And they also do a brunch. I think their brunches are about £45 for the 2 hours. But the food's a lot better than TGI Fridays. Next one. This one said, something just for you. So I looked in it. I saw the golf brands, and it was a voucher for Wynyard Golf Shop, so I can go and buy that QI 35 3-wood. So happy with that, really happy. But yeah, what a great little gift that was. So anyway, you're probably thinking, what did I get Lucy? Well, I've packed the suitcase because we are going to have a night away somewhere. But the first thing was to get Vinny off to school, and yes, he does have odd socks on because he insists on wearing odd socks ever since World Down Syndrome Day. He loves them. There he is looking dapper on the way to nursery now. Had to go and buy him a pack of dummies, even though he's coming off dummies. He just wanted a pack in the shop, and that was Vinny off to nursery. Then we were in Yarm, so we wanted to grab some breakfast. We've never been here before for breakfast. This place is called Muse. Love the decor, straight to the comfy seats. Menu looked banging. I got myself a full breakfast, and Lucy went for something a little bit different. I think she went for French toast and bacon with like syrup on it. We had a Bucks Fizz, and there is my breakfast. The beans were absolutely red hot as well, and they were gorgeous. I love beans, and Lucy loves mayonnaise. Breakfast was, it was unbelievable. And Lucy did leave some mayonnaise. Right, next place we go. And we've arrived. Here we are. We have came to a place literally 20 minutes from our house. It's called the Impeccable Pig. And the rooms, well, you'll just have to wait and see. The decor in here, unbelievable. Love the fireplace. Love the pig decor. There's 1 pig, 2 pig. And the bar was banging as well. Really nice decor. Oh, there's Lucy up there on the top deck. Got some drinks. Lucy went for a pineapple gin, and I had my favourite, Recordlin passion fruit. We got our room, and it was some mad French name, I can't even pronounce it. Anyway, there it is. That's how you say it. If anyone knows how to say it, that's how you say it. Room number 2, anyway. And this is the room. Check out this decor. So you're probably wondering how much this cost. Well, this was £390 for the night. On booking.com, it worked at £410, so it was cheaper booking direct with them. Little anniversary message there. The bathtub was massive, big massive gold bathtub. Straight to the bathroom again, beautiful. I love the way they had all Elemis products as well to wash your hair with and wash your hands with. The only thing I would say about this place is you don't get any bottled water for free next to the side of your bed, which is you need bottled water because the rooms are so hot, you have to pay for the water. So outside was a hot tub in a little private garden. Did panic at first because there was a window right above us, but nobody could see us. Apparently it's blacked out. So yeah, we had a good time in there, had some drinks, and yeah, a happy anniversary to us. And thanks for watching. Oh, one more thing I've got to show you. Wait till you see this, then this will shock you. So in there's the minibar. So you can get all this stuff. You got to pay for it, and look at this, watching a charger. You get a charger, but what's this thing here? Like ring, it's like a ring or something, vibrating ring. I don't know what that is. I've never seen them before. And then this stuff here is for the morning. God bless, guys. Thanks for watching. and happy anniversary.